Hello everyone. We are going to see about professional ethics in engineering. I am Dr. T.M. Inbamalar, working as professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, RMK College of Engineering and Technology. Today, in this video, we are going to study about three topics. First, I'll be telling you about morals, then values, followed by ethics. First, let us start with morals. Morals are the welfare principles enunciated by the wise people based on their experience and wisdom. So actually, these morals were modified to suit the geography of the region. That is, the morals were modified to suit the place where you live. Then there are changes in the morals with respect to the rulers. So rulers in the sense the government, whether it can be a state government or central government. These morals also changed in accordance with the development of knowledge in science and technology. With respect to the developments in science and technology, there were modifications in the morals. And these morals also changed with respect to time. In olden days, the morals were little bit different, and nowadays there were changes in the morals. Now, let us see about morality. Actually, the term morality is concerned with principles and practices of morals. So, for example, I'll ask you few questions. What shall be done in a given situation? Or what you should not do in a given situation? What is right or wrong about handling a situation? What is good about the people, policies and ideals involved, or what is bad about the people, policies and ideals involved? So all this comes under morality. Now let us move to the next topic, values. So here under values I am going to tell you four definitions. So coming to the first definition, a value is defined as a principle that promotes well-being or prevents harm. Next definition, values are our guidelines for our success. Actually, the values are our paradigm about what is acceptable. Next definition, values can be defined as the emotional beliefs in principles regarded as particularly favorable or important for the individual. Fourth definition, values are the scales we use to weigh our choices for our actions. That is, how to decide whether to move towards something or away from something. So these are some of the definitions for values. And now let me say Dr. Abraham Maslow principle regarding values. Actually, Dr. Abraham Maslow illustrated values with the hierarchy of human needs. He considered three terms: survival, security and social acceptance. Actually, he has given highest priority for survival, then security and the least one for social acceptance. And he added, self-esteem can only be addressed to the degree that social acceptance is fulfilled. Similarly, self-actualization can only be pursued to the degree that self-esteem has been satisfied. He is telling a person's beliefs, values and identity are usually acquired unconsciously based on his personal experience or observation of others' experiences as to what produces desirable or undesirable results in the environment. So actually, a person is unconsciously believing his values or identity. It may be from his personal experience or some other's experience. So this can be explained with a very good example. Let us consider a small baby and for example a 6 months old baby. That baby sees adults walking and talking and unconsciously it tries to walk and talk. So a baby's learning to walk and talk is a clear example for identifying the values. Now let us move to the types of values. Let me tell you about the 5 core human values. First one, right conduct. Second one, peace. Third one, truth. Fourth one, love. And fifth one, non-violence. Let us see one by one in detail. First, let me start with right conduct. So this right conduct I am going to explain in 3 side headings: self-help skills, social skills, and ethical skills. So the values related to right conduct come under self-help skills, social skills, and ethical skills. If we consider self-help skills, the values related to the self-help skills are care of one's possessions, diet, hygiene, modesty, posture, self-reliance, and tidy appearance. So all this related to self. Now let us move to the social skills. So here the values coming under social skills are good behavior, good manners, good relationships, helpfulness, no wastage, good environment. Now let us move on to ethical skills. Here the values coming under ethical skills are code of conduct, courage, dependability, duty, efficiency, ingenuity, initiative, perseverance, punctuality, resourcefulness, respect for all, and responsibility. So I have told you in detail about right conduct, and now let us move to peace. So the values related to peace are attention, calmness, concentration, contentment, dignity, discipline, equality, equanimity, faithfulness, focus, gratitude, happiness, harmony, humility, inner silence, optimism, patience, reflection, satisfaction, self-acceptance, self-confidence, self-control, self-discipline, self-esteem, self-respect, sense-control, tolerance, and understanding. So all the terms are self-explanatory, but the thing is you could identify the peace is related to oneself. The peace of a particular person is depending on him and not on others. Now let us move to the truth. Values related to the truth are accuracy, curiosity, discernment, fairness, fearlessness, honesty, integrity, intuition, justice, optimism, purity, quest for knowledge, reason, self-analysis, sincerity, spirit of inquiry, synthesis, trust, truthfulness, and determination. Now let us move on to love. Values related to love are acceptance, affection, care, compassion, consideration, dedication, devotion, empathy, forbearance, forgiveness, friendship, generosity, gentleness, humanness, interdependence, kindness, patience, patriotism, reverence, sacrifice, selflessness, service, sharing, sympathy, thoughtfulness, tolerance, and trust. Now let us move to non-violence. So I am going to tell you non-violence under 2 headings. One is related to psychological and the other one is related to social. The values related to psychological or benevolence, compassion, concern for others, consideration, forbearance, forgiveness, manners, happiness, loyalty, morality, and universal love. The values related to social or appreciation of others, cultures and religions, brotherhood, care of environment, citizenship, equality, homelessness, national awareness, perseverance, respect for property and social justice. Now let us move to the third topic, ethics. Actually, ethics is the word that refers to morals, values and beliefs of the individual's family or society. The word ethics has several meanings. I am going to tell you about 4 meanings. The first one is ethics as an activity and process of inquiry. The second one, ethics is different from non-moral problems when dealing with issues and controversies. Third one, ethics refers to a particular set of beliefs, attitudes and habits of individuals or family or groups concerned with morals. Fourth one, ethics is used to mean morally correct. So now, the study on ethics helps to know the people's beliefs, values and morals, learn the good and bad of them and practice them to maximize their well-being and happiness. Ethics involves the inquiry on the existing situations, form judgments and resolve the issues. In addition, ethics tell us how to live, to respond to issues, through the duties, rights, responsibilities and obligations. In religion, similar principles are included, but the reasoning on procedures is limited. So if you compare ethics with religion, in religion also similar principles are included, but the reasoning on procedures is limited in religion. The principles and practices of religions have varied from time to time. Geographic region, climatic conditions, religion, society, language, caste and creed. But for ethics, it is not so varying. But ethics has grown to a large extent beyond the barriers listed above. In ethics, the focus is to study and apply the principles and practices universally. Thank you for listening. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you.